And finally, JC, what else are we gonna talk about?
Yes, of course, Heidi. Makakalimutan ba natin yung naging tour natin just this Wednesday, November 27? And remember, we toured around, going to places, to museums like the Alab Museum, yung Binhi Museum, yung Bahay ni Rizal or the Rizal Shrine. And then for lunch, we went to SM, right? We spent lunch
Yes,
in,
SM Kalamba. Mm.
and then we went to New Valley, and finally, we spent the rest of our afternoons and evenings in Enchanted Kingdom. Ngayon, we went to a lot of places, right? Can you share your the highlight of your tour? Who will go first? Grayson? Grayson, are you there?
Yes.
Grayson, how about you share your favorite experience dito sa tour?
So yung naging favorite ko talaga is yung pag-visit natin sa TYCI or Dr. Yangas Colleges Incorporated. So first of all, na-amaze ako dun sa Metanoia, yung malaking version niya, which is gumagalaw pala yun. Then we also, na-visit din natin dun yung Binhi Museum kung saan nakita natin yung history ng Bukawi, Bulacan. And also lastly, yung Alab Museum, which is nakakita natin yung mga invention dun sa school and nakapag-interact tayo sa mga robot.
So, you went to places na nagpapakita ng mga futuristic stuff and historic stuff, right? How about you, Heidi? I'm sure meron kang highlight sa tour experience mo. So, what's your favorite?
Yes, of course, JC, ang favorite ko talaga is yung Rizal Shrine, yung bahay ni Rizal. Siguro kasi na-feel ko yung connection since Tatak Rizalian tayo. Yeah, but kidding aside, I really like nostalgic stuff. Kasi nung nandoon na, nakita ko talaga yung mga traditional na, let's say yung comfort room nila, yung mga comfort room nung unang panahon, nakita ko yung balcony nila, meron pang timba, tsaka yung balon sa ibabaw, which is sobrang taas pa kasi nasa second floor yung yung timba. And yeah,
Oo.
a lot of things there. Pati na rin yung kwarto kung saan pinanganak si Rizal. Nakita ko. And
Oh,
sobrang
wow.
yeah, oo. And sobrang informative ng mga let's say, naka-assign sa bawat station do sa bahay ni Rizal. Kasi may mga tao na mag-guide talaga sa'yo kung ano na tong nakikita mo. Yeah. And let me just add yung No Valley Park. Yan.
Mm-hmm.
Sobrang ganda rin doon, nagustuhan ko kahit na saglit lang since after lunch, dumiretso na ron. Kasi nakapagpakain naman kami ng koi fish. And sobrang ganda nung lugar as well as yung fish mismo. Grabe silang magkulumpon kapag ka nagtapon ka na ng food. So yeah, that was really enjoyable. And those are the highlights of my educational tour 2024.
So, hindi ka lang naaliw, natuto ka pa. And
Sobra, sobra.
did you know na yung mga koi fishes, it means luck sa ibang culture? So, did you feel lucky nung nagpakain kayo?
Feeling ko na sinulit na namin yung time namin doon para mahakot namin lahat ng swerteng pwede namin makuha.
So, ayun, na-mention na natin yung mga museums, pati yung New Valley, kung saan nagpakain nga ng koi fish si Heidi. Ngayon, how about naman yung Enchanted Kingdom? Alam kong a lot of our Rizalians, ito yung highlight ng tour nila, yung Enchanted Kingdom. Ngayon, can you tell us your crazy experience o yung highlight nyo sa Enchanted Kingdom? Yan. Grayson?
Hello. So, ang pinaka-memorable sa akin na part ng Enchanted Kingdom is yung pinaka-memorable talaga yung sa Vikings kung saan pipila ko sa una, tapang-tapangan, ganon. Tapos, pag nasa malapit ka na sa pila, parang gusto mo na lang umalis. So, ayun.
Tumuloy ka naman ba? Ah?
Tumuloy naman, tumuloy.
Okay naman. How about you, Heidi? Meron ka bang nakakatakot na experience like yung kay Grayson?
Nakakatakot wala. Joke, tabang-tawagan, hindi. Kasi nasakyan namin yung Anchors Away. Tapos nung pagdating namin sa Ferris wheel, ang sabi namin mag-chill na lang. Pero di pala siya nakaka-chill kasi sobrang taas. So don't underestimate talaga yung rides dun sa AK. But yeah,
Tsaka,
ang pinaka-memorable dun, yung pila, sobrang haba. Tas yung feeling na kapag ka nandun ka na sa ride, sobrang worth it yung 1 oras na paghihintay mo sa pila. Lalo na kasi I was with my friends. Yeah, so doble yung pagiging memorable nung tour.
So yeah, you sound like you had fun, no? Ngayon, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your experience? Gaano kayo nag-enjoy? Gaano kayo kasaya sa naging tour natin?
Ako, I would give my experience a 10, a solid 10. Yeah, sobrang saya rin talaga.
How about you, Grayson? How would you rate our tour?
Ako, for me, 10 din siya. Kahit nakinabahan ako sa mga rides. So, overall, masaya siya.
Yeah, so both of you, ni-rate niyo siya ng 10. So you really had fun, no? Okay. Kayo, Resilience, if you want to share your experience, your highlights sa tour natin, just feel free to comment your favorite experience on our comment section below.